365 days, 365 videos. Bad days, look at this one. I'm okay. Why is this on YouTube? Please, what am I doing with my life? Well, here we are, and my phone can float. Well, not exactly. I decided to use only AI to make Minecraft. Young, I visited websites that my parents would never want me to do. April was quite unexpectedly busy this month.
It doesn't matter how you feel about the video. Do not involve your personal feelings.
Every time you subscribe, this video will get 5 frames shorter. Because if that's the case, then everyone would buy a bunch of Origins and Manifesto for success, right? No, this is where the war begins. Or maybe do a giveaway, what do you think? I have the photos of my 3X on this phone so I cannot see them. You cannot have a good video without having the best idea, and then just transfer Windows 11 in it, and yeah, that's gonna take some time to complete. I will have some tables on the floor, and yep, you guessed it, being disorganized. Would you press it? And here I am, the same room as when I started making videos back in February the 24th. 100 videos in 100 days. Even though we are only at 36% of the original goal to hit one video per day for 365 days, aka 1 year. 100 videos are extremely significant because even though posting 100 videos, 1 video per day was extremely important, by far than making the best videos possible, because it taught me that instead of dreaming about getting something, I should do it, regardless of how difficult that is, because you'll never figure out what it takes to get to where you want to be. Even if you want to become an NBA player or a content creator, then you have to stop saying it and start doing it right now. Like right now, wherever you are, start doing it. And I know exactly that I am nowhere near close to my dream of achieving 100 million subscribers, but I realize that starting is way better than not starting or even delaying it. So I posted 100 videos since the 24th of February, and what a journey, guys. Like, I remember all the very happy moments of finishing a video and ready to upload it, but that didn't come with a lot of sacrifices with my personal relationships, with enjoyment, but making videos is my enjoyment and that doesn't really count. But it came with a lot of frustrations as well. Like staying up until 4 a.m. just to post 3 shorts in a single day, or recording a video, like right now recording a video, and midway, without me realizing, the recording will stop because my phone ran out of storage. And also, the worst, starting with a video idea, but realizing midway, about 7 p.m. or 8 p.m., that I cannot complete this video with what I have. And the day of me posting the room tour is a perfect idea for that. Because on that day I was trying to install Windows 11 on my 2011 MacBook, and I realized about 8 p.m. on that day that this is not possible because I didn't have a USB stick large enough so I can get Windows 11 and install it on my MacBook Air. So I had to scrap the video for that day, and I went with posting a tour of my room, even though that was a very simple video and it barely got any views. And of course, that was one of the many failures. If we talk about numbers, you'll see a much different picture. Only one video managed to cross 100,000 views, and that was a video of me showing you playing Roblox on my oldest phones. And out of that, 3 other videos managed to cross 10,000 views. But besides numbers, because unfortunately on YouTube, numbers are very important, I think there are 2 other things that are even more important. One of them is learning. And in the content creation world, you learn something new every single day. Could be something new while editing a video, or learning about a new trend and applying that new trend on your videos. Most of the videos that I thought would get millions of views would not even get 2,000 views, because most of it is actually an experiment. Like with YouTube, you don't know which video is going to go successful. So you have to do a bunch of different videos that you think that might go successful and find the most successful video and then analyze the data. Like it's a data analysis project, it's an experimentation project. You do research, you figure out what works or what doesn't, and you take it from there. So there's a much bigger time behind the scenes of what has to be done compared to what you guys see. And secondly, by far, the most important part of this whole journey is you guys. Even though I knew this beforehand, when I made my Discord server and I invited you all to join, this is when I realized, you know what? It is by far more important to stay connected with you guys directly than me staying behind a camera and then, not having a connection with me. You gave me so many heartfelt comments on Discord, but mainly on YouTube comments. And even when YouTube took down one of my videos for violating the community guidelines, a lot of you guys asked me to not give up. I want to reassure you that I will never give up on this. And your support, your participation on this project, this community, what we're doing, this movement, is something I would never, ever exchange for anything. You gave me the reassurance that I can provide you with value even though I don't have $1 million set up and I'm only using everything I have pretty much. Because you gave me the reassurance that I can be useful to you guys even though I feel I'm the least entertaining person on this planet. Even though there are millions of other content creators doing the same thing as I do. Even though I believe my videos have improved since the start of the project, posting one video every single day, I realized that to reach my lifelong dream is not possible with what I'm doing right now. More of that later. Every single day I was not only posting one long form video, but also several short videos on all my platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And some of those became viral, but most of the videos which I wanted to go viral never did. Thanks to this grind of posting every single day, I can roughly earn a minimum wage in my country. If you take YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and you add up together, and also sponsorship sometimes, it's close to about minimum wage in my country. And this is enough money for me to start buying new things to make better videos. For example, if I make challenge-based videos, I would like to buy some new computers or some new phones at a very low price and just do the challenge, because I know you guys enjoy those videos, but that's not what I want to do in the long run. I want to reinvest all of my money that I earn into making better videos. But not only that, I also want to give back to you guys, because you guys are the only reason why I'm still here making videos. You're helping me to grow as not only a content creator, but also you're participating in my self-growth, and that's something I value a lot. And I'm gonna say this, I'm not going anywhere, I'm not giving up. I really love what I'm doing. I love making videos, I love interacting with you guys. It's the best thing that ever happened in my life. And even though I have a degree in computer science, I still want to do this. Even though a lot of people will tell me you're crazy for not finding a job. But I got rejected from 100 jobs, especially right now with how bad this market is. I don't want to find a job. I want to keep making videos because this is what's making me happy. I mean, I earn a few thousand from this channel. I reached 86,000 subscribers, nearly 100 million views on this channel. And across all platforms, if you combine them together, it's more than 500 million views and more than 220,000 subscribers or followers in total. It would be stupid for me to say, I'm giving up, I'm doing something else, but I have to take a different direction. So maybe I will stop posting daily, but I can reassure you that this is the best decision I have to make, even though it took me 2 months to decide if I really want to quit this. If I want to lie to you that I cannot post one video every single day, I mean, I can keep doing this, but it's decreasing the chances of me reaching 100 million subscribers in the long run. I realize that there's a lot of other things I need to be doing while making YouTube videos. That's me to better understand how this YouTube algorithm works, sitting down for 10 hours every single day and really study this thing. How does this YouTube algorithm works? Because there is a way. If Mr. Beast has done it or other people have done it, why I cannot? And this is exactly what someone from the gym told me. And he's a huge inspiration to me. Like, he's working like 10 hours every single day. He has 2 kids to raise. He doesn't have a wife. 3 or 4 times a week he's doing bodybuilding, and he's only able to sleep for 5 hours or 4 hours every single day. If he can do it, then why I cannot do it? I have to figure out the best way on how can I make the best video possible, because once I start reinvesting all the money I earn into my new videos, then obviously my videos have to become better. So there's also a learning curve over there. How can I reinvest my money in a smart way that I can make better videos? This is not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen in 1 month. And it's not going to happen in 1 year. It's going to be a non-ending marathon that we will definitely win it. You guys are investing your time to watch me, to support me, to cheer me, to write comments, and watch my videos from start to end. And I have one duty to give back to you. Give back to the people who helped me to grow, because you guys are the only reason why I am slowly growing. And I'll say this from the bottom of my heart: thank you, really, for everything you're doing for me, for the support, for the comments, for the encouragement, for being near me when I'm at the lowest, especially from the video that I posted a few weeks ago. Even though I cannot say I'll see you tomorrow, but I can say that I'll see you very soon with a video that's going to be much better, with a better plan and better strategy. And I promise to you, we will win. Thank you.